Cool. I got my A65 Anniversary Edition. Comes in this little case. The thing's pretty sweet. Comes with the charger. Comes with 4 batteries. Some extra accessories, props, tool. I never know what these are for because I'm too new to FPV, but a menu board, whatever that's for. Guess I'll find out someday. And this drone's tiny. The cool thing about this little drone is that it works with my Tyrannus QX7 and these cheap Spectrum goggles that I have, which are actually a monitor snapped into some goggles, which actually works pretty good, believe it or not. Yeah, let's get to reviewing this thing.
Windy again. Love this trail. Woo. Might have to overshoot some of these this time. Here we go, Chad. Oh yes. Can't believe I just did that.
Hello, welcome to my channel. I am totally geeking out, as you can see by my FPV goggles. I got this Eachine A65 Anniversary Edition drone. This thing is small, perfect for indoor flying. The reason I have this is because I really want to work on my skills in practicing flying FPV. So, comes as a kit. Excuse the mess here as I'm in the process of my move. Comes as a kit with this little carrying case. Comes with the charger, 4 batteries. The batteries only last about 2.5, 3 minutes, so it's nice to have 4 batteries. Drone fits right in there. Pretty sweet deal. The whole kit, I believe, was just over $100 if I remember right. And it actually comes with some extra accessories, extra props, little screwdriver, extra bolts, things like that. So pretty cool drone. I'll show you some flight right here with it, so check it out. My goal here is to try to go through my handlebars. We'll see if I can do it. It's quite challenging. Almost made it. I was so close. We'll try again. I have 2 full batteries left before I have to recharge. sweet. That was definitely much better. It's kind of challenging is more the elevation. I don't have a problem steering and going through, but I have a problem with the elevation and height. So I don't know if that's PID tuning adjustment that I can do, or I just need more practice with the throttle, but it just really seems sensitive going up and down when I move the throttle only a tiny bit. So there's definitely ways to adjust that. I just am too new to this hobby to know how to do it. But anyway, I'm having a lot of fun. Looking forward to this build coming up soon. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.